Alright guys, this is how the wig looks. We are going to show you the install, so make sure you stick around and watch the full install of this beautiful 24 inches dark auburn jerry curl hair. Alright, stay tuned. Let's get it. Guys, welcome back to another hair review video. Today's video is by Hurelahair, and make every girl affordable, beautiful hair. Let's get into this wig. This is the wig, and it is a 13 by 4 lace front wig, dark auburn jerry curl, 24 inches. This is how it looks out the pack. This is how the wigs look. It is beautiful. I love it. Let's look at the lace. Oh, there is a band. The lace is already pre-plucked, so we don't have a lot to do. We just have to add some makeup to it. And I love that it has a band, so we can definitely make this wig glue-less. But I love the color so far. It is beautiful. It's jerry curls, so you know the curls are tight. Look at that. I can't wait to install it. So that is it. We also received some stuff inside the box. A wig cap, a headband. Oh, we receive another wig cap. So when you purchase your wig, you definitely get some of these stuff. Another edge tie, that's what I call it. You get a lash, another wig cap. I think there are two different colors just in case. Okay, so this one is for the ball cap method. Okay, a makeup brush. I assume you can use this to put makeup on your lace. So thanks to Hurelahair for sponsoring today's video. We're gonna do this install and stay tuned. So this is the wig. Oh, let's see how the wig fits. Oh my god, even my daughter likes it. I like that the wig is snug on the head. It is not big, and that's what I like. I love me a wig that fits, okay?
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Should we do a part? Should we? I think I want to do it to the side. Yeah, I think I want to do it to the side. Like so. I don't know, I've been feeling side parts, but this wig fits my head. I hate a big wig. Hate it. It's too much work. Alright, so I think we're gonna do the install first because this is a curly wig. I will do the hair and then wet it, comb it, wet it, and then we'll do our makeup and it is over. They gave us two different wig caps, so I'm gonna see which one I want to use. If I'm gonna use one, y'all know when I'm doing this thing, I don't even use a cap. But I think for this particular hair, I want to use a cap. Oh, this cap is everything. Oh, look at this. First time I'm gonna use one of these caps, so let's see what it is made of. It looks like skin, right? I love it. I absolutely love it. This is what I need, okay? I need all this cap. I don't want no other else cap. So I think I'm just gonna warm the iron, and then we're just gonna, there's flyaways, so we're just gonna get rid of the flyaways, and then we do the install. So let's do that. You serve me on a
inspiration found with you, and it's in the present.
I love it. Oh, this side is still wet, so once this side is dry, oh, I cannot wait. This hair is absolutely beautiful. It just complements everything. The makeup is so simple. I love it. Okay, get into this because this hair will be in the description down below. Make sure you guys go on their website and have this wig. It is beautiful. It is 13 by 4 lace frontal wig, dark auburn jerry curl in 24 inches. And you guys know that you have to stretch the hair to get the true length. So this is it. What do you guys think? So you know what? I'm going to go in with the odd comb. Just leave it around here. I think it's beautiful. I add baby ear on the sides, which gives it a look. This one didn't fix well, but she's gonna stay because that one it will not show. I just wanted to add the baby ear to the wig, which it wasn't a big deal. And I did glue this wig down. I didn't add a lot of glue. I went back in and I try to make sure the glue is on my forehead so it doesn't mess up my hair. You can totally do this with glueless because it fits the head. Next time, once I clean the lace, we are definitely doing it glueless. So tell me your thoughts, what you think about this hair, Hurela. Oh, I love it, okay? And that was the vibe. So let's get into this slow-mo, and thank you guys for watching.